IKEA, that furniture shop, have just released a headphone stand, of all things. It's called the MÖJLIGHET. MÖJLIGHET. And it's £2. You can hang your headphones on it. Oh, I've said that. It's a phone stand as well. You can put your phone on it and you can do things. It's here. If headphones on it, you can put your phone on it as well. You can hang your head. I've said that before. It comes in 2 colours. It is black and red, I think. Yes, black and red. Both £2. MÖJLIGHET. According to IKEA, it's made of steel with epoxy powder coating, which I'm guessing is strong because I know powder coating sticks to the metal better, so it shouldn't peel. I don't know. Helps keep your headphones, mobile phones and tablets organised. Perfect to place in the bookcase or on the desk. Durable, simple and stable steel structure with rounded edges. Mine are quite not that, I don't know, it's rounded enough. Yeah, it's pretty good. It does fit headphones fine. My headphones are quite big and thick with 10Cs. They do kind of like go right to the front of the lip and rest against it, which may put a dent in the headphones. But I mean, they've got on my head, so I don't really care or see. But I'm not bothered. I will be bothered when it gets broken. Also, the little pointy out necky thing at the front tilts down a bit, which makes the headphones slide to the front. In my case, I'd rather the headphones just sit flat because they're too big and I don't want them getting indented. It might just be with my model, mine may just be bent for some reason, but yours may be straighter. I'll have to wait and see. So what I'm waiting to see. Yeah. Anyway, move on. Oh yeah, the phone stand bit works like a phone stand. You can put your phone in there, it tilts towards you so you can see who's messaging you, or you can, in my case, you see who's not messaging you, because I don't get messages through to my phone much because no one messages me. It fits tablets too, but I mean, who owns a tablet? Well, people own tablets, but yeah. I mean, it's got a nice little design feature with a little dented neck. I don't know if it's to do with structure or it's to do with broken mould in the IKEA warehouse, or someone's ideas of making things look good. It looks a bit like a swan. Buy it, £2. You won't regret it really, unless your headphones don't fit, which mine barely do. Mine MX50X Audio Technica, most headphones will fit because these are pretty big. So yeah, if your headphones are sat on the desk at the moment and they are just lay there, get this from IKEA next time you go. I'm sure you'll be going plenty of times. I go, it seems weekly at this stage. It's turned into an addiction. I'm going to stop talking now because this is what else can I say about them headphones? Oh yeah, they're fine. That's just, yeah. Buy them, they're good. £2 or $2, or I don't know. Just get them, they're good. Bye. What's the bloody thing called? MÖJLIGHET. I should also mention that they might be discontinued at one point because IKEA discontinues everything. And I've got a feeling they aren't selling much of them because no one knows what they are. They walk past them and then they're like, oh, it's a swan. And then they're like, oh, well, I don't want a swan. MÖJLIGHET. MÖJLIGHET.